If you're successful but exhausted, if your brain feels stuck in overdrive, if you're performing well on paper but struggling to recover, focus, or shut it off, this isn't a motivation problem. This is a brain circuit problem. And that's where TMS can come. TMS stands for Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation. It's a non-invasive brain-based technology and treatment that uses targeted magnetic field pulses to optimize how specific neural circuits function, especially the ones involved in focus, emotional regulation, stress response, and cognitive flexibility. There's no medication, no sedation, and no downtime. And in chronic stress and high-pressure environments, the brain becomes locked into this survival mode, and the circuits responsible for executive function, emotional control, and recovery become underactive, while the threat and stress networks stay constantly switched on. And that's why burnout doesn't feel like tiredness. It feels like mental noise, reduced focus, irritability or anxiety, poor sleep, loss of creativity, maybe slower decision making. You're still capable, but you're no longer as efficient as you used to be. TMS works by reactivating and strengthening underperforming brain networks, helping the brain regain balance, flexibility, and resilience. Think of it as precision training for the brain, not talk therapy and not a pill. We're not suppressing symptoms. We're improving signal quality in your brain networks. You're awake, seated comfortably, and able to work or think during the treatment. Most people describe a tapping sensation on the scalp. There's no cognitive dulling, no flat feeling, and no recovery period. Many people notice clearer thinking, improved stress tolerance, and better emotional regulation, not overnight, but progressively over the few weeks after treatment. Peak performance isn't about pushing harder. It's about a brain that can focus intensely and recover efficiently. TMS is used by people who don't want to feel less bad. They want to function optimally and at their very highest level with more clarity, more bandwidth, and more control, because your brain is your most valuable asset and it deserves the same level of precision care as the rest of your body.